Hello everyone, today I would like to show you all how to use visual intelligence on your iPhone in iOS 18.2. Let's have a look. Before start, make sure you are using iPhone 16 series or later and iPhone iOS 18.2 or later. Use camera control to launch visual intelligence. Long press the camera control button. This will open up Apple Intelligence animation with rainbow colors to show it's running. Once visual intelligence is running, you only need to point at what you want to search, then tap on the on-screen shutter button. Now you can use Google search or ask ChatGPT option. Tap search, searching with Google. In addition to showing a list of similar photos to what you have captured, you can click one of the image to open up other window that can show you shopping prices for what you are searching. By pressing on the chat bubble icon in the lower left corner of the visual intelligence interface, it will learn on ChatGPT for additional details about what you are searching for. So these are the steps to use visual intelligence on your iPhone in iOS 18.2 or later. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.